Hello everyone, Trudy here with Heal Wellness and Therapy, and if you're watching this video, you have likely been told by a healthcare professional that you have an elevated first rib, or maybe they've used the term thoracic outlet syndrome, or maybe you have done some doctor Googling yourself and that has led you to this video. What I want to show you is the number one mobility exercise that you can do to give yourself those symptoms from that arm tingling, that shoulder pain, that neck ache that you've got, all connected to that first rib. So the only thing you need is some sort of strap. This could be a belt, it could be some sort of yoga strap, or you can even take a towel and wrap it tight and use that as well. Once you've got that, place it up and over your shoulder on the side that is affected. I'm going to demonstrate both sides today. Place the strap where a necklace would lay on the side of your neck, and then hold the strap or towel or belt or whatever in front of you with your right hand. Now with your opposite strap and left hand, place it behind you. Bring yourself into a nice tall position, lengthen your neck and settle your chin so there's no tension on the back of your neck. Then drop your head over the strap so that the right ear is going towards the right shoulder. Now keep the right hand nice and still with the left hand and the strap. Take an inhale here. Then as you exhale, pull the strap back without the right hand moving. Then in this position, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale with both hands on both straps, pull the strap right down. Now at this point, you have got full tension onto that right first rib area. So let's stretch the muscles affecting it. Take an inhale, lift your head up, and as you exhale, start to side bend away. Those are your scalene muscles. Want to get a little bit more specific? Is it tighter if you lightly bring your chin up, or tighter if you lightly bring your chin down? Find the direction for you that feels the tightest while you keep pulling the strap downwards. Then take a nice slow deep inhale in, and exhaling out. One more nice slow breath in and exhaling out. While we're at it, let's stretch an evil muscle called the levator scapula. Take a deep inhale in here. And as you're exhaling, drop your chin down towards that left armpit. You feel the back of your right neck? Now take a nice deep inhale into that stretch. And exhaling out. And one more breath. Slow, deep inhale in. And exhaling out. And then inhale, lift your head back up, and as you exhale, relax. If your right rib is your problem, right thoracic outlet syndrome is your issue, right neck pain, right shoulder pain, right pain in your arm, or numbness and tingling in your arm, you're done. But if the left side is your issue, let's go ahead and do it. Place the strap up and over where a necklace would lay on the left side of your neck. Hold the strap in the front on the left side. Take the strap on the right side and hold it back behind you. Sit up nice and tall so you're taking away all the posture issues that are likely causing this in the first place. Then in this position, lengthen your neck and settle your chin. Now drop your left ear over the strap towards the shoulder. Then take a deep inhale in, and as you exhale, the right hand, pull the strap back without the left hand moving. Now take a deep inhale in, and as you exhale, with both hands, pull the strap all the way down. You are now engaging that first rib. Take a nice slow deep inhale in, and exhaling out. Now let's stretch the muscles that attach to the rib called the scalene. So inhale, bring your head upright. As you exhale, side bend your head away. Play with what feels tighter here. Tighter to lift the chin up, or tighter to lower the chin down? Wherever it's the tightest. Take a nice deep inhale into your scalene muscles. And exhaling out. And slow deep inhale in. And exhaling out. And let's stretch that levator scapulae, a really tight postural muscle. So stay here. Take a deep inhale in, and as you exhale, drop your chin all the way down towards that right armpit. Keep pushing down with both hands on the strap. Slow, deep inhale in here. And exhaling out. And one more breath. Nice, slow, deep inhale in. And exhaling out. And then inhale, lift the head up, and exhale, release the tension in the strap. So left elevated first rib, thoracic outlet syndrome, neck pain, shoulder pain, numbness, tingling, or aching in your arms. That's the side you want to do. Now, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.